Hey guys, welcome back to Nucleix, the channel where we explore the power of Python. I'm your host, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a star using the Turtle module. The Turtle module is a great way to learn the basics of programming and have some fun with graphics. Let's get started. This is the code that we are going to use to draw a star. It's very simple and easy to understand. Let me explain what each line does. The first line imports the Turtle module, which gives us access to the Turtle functions and methods. The second line creates a Turtle object named star, which we will use to draw the star. The third line sets the pen size of the star to 10, which means the width of the lines it draws will be 10 pixels. The fourth line sets the color of the star to green and red. The first argument is the color of the pen, and the second argument is the color of the fill. The fifth line calls the begin_fill method, which tells the Turtle to start filling the shape it draws with the fill color. The next 5 lines are inside a for loop that repeats 5 times. Each iteration draws one side of the star. The 7th line moves the star forward by 300 pixels, which is the length of each side of the star. The 8th line turns the star right by 144 degrees, which is the angle between each side of the star. This makes sure that the star has 5 points and is symmetrical. The 9th line ends the for loop. The 10th line calls the end_fill method, which tells the Turtle to stop filling the shape and close it. The 11th line calls the done method, which keeps the window open until we close it. Now let's run the code and see what it does. Look at that. We have a beautiful star with a green outline and a red interior. You can play around with different values of size, color and angle to get different shapes of stars. You can also use other methods of the Turtle module to customize your drawing. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to Nucleix for more Python tutorials. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this video or what you want me to cover next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.